Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we are going to head over to third of these what do we say, exercises or project. You can also say project. So we are going over and over and we are building our good impression in Python. So you can code with me side by side. Go to the description down below and open the link that I have given for the exercise, and you can code with me in right time. Okay, so in this video we are going to write a function to check if the number is even or not. So it says write your function here, and it says write the function named as is even and pass an argument to check if the number is prime or not. And you have to write the function named as is even. And you see here, remove the comment mark down below in the below line. So you have to just remove this and check your answer. So you can pause this video right now and go to my this coding page. The link is in the description box below, and code. And if the answer comes like your code is correct, then you are good to go. If you haven't got the code is correct, then stay tuned with this video. So guys, I hope that you have already done it, and if you have got your code is correct, then you are good to go. If not, here is the solution. So I have to write here print code is correct. This I will make this whole this thing you will get. And here it says write a function named as is even and pass an argument. So let's pass an argument as num. And here you have to write code. And inside here, let's make some logic behind it. Okay, the logic behind it is one number, take number we have already taken, and check if a number is like, okay, here it says even. Okay, if a number is even, that means we can do like kind of freaky thing here. Just think of what is even number, like 2, 4, and what is even number? Those number, while dividing them, the remain by 2, the remainder is 0. That means we have a good thing here in programming, that is modulus. So modulus does what is, you can just get remainder out of them. So num mod is denoted by this, num mod 2 equals 0. We can print return to true, and else we can return false. Okay, let's write code. If num mod 2 equals 0, we can return the value true, and else return false. And as I run this code here, it will okay. So it says me that unexpected indent. where it is saying. So let me just remove all of these. Okay, here was an unexpected intent. Okay, the code is correct, is printed here. That means our code has run successfully. So guys, this was an exercise of is even, and to check if the number is even or not. So this was for this video, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do please go ahead and like the video. It will encourage me to make more Pythonic videos. And if you want to connect with me and learn something about programming with Python and other programming, please go ahead and subscribe that button down below and just click the bell button right beside it. So if you guys have some dudes who like programming and want to start their career in programming, send them this video using WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Skype, any of the social medias that you are in. If you want to promote my videos, you can also put my don't put like my whole videos, but you can just tell your viewers that I am here to learn something about Python. So thank you guys for watching this video. This much for today, and I'll meet you in the next one. Thank you.